how to opt out of Fuliza. So the first thing we'll do, we'll come to our Fuliza. You can see, as we can see here, we can see available Fuliza is 3,000. So after that we'll come and I'll take you how to opt out. So we'll come to our screen and we'll click star 23 hash. After we click that, we'll be able to click same option number 1. After we click option number 1, we'll come to Fuliza M-PESA limit. Then we'll come to more 98 to get more options. Then we'll click number 7. Once we click number 7, we'll see that opting out of Fuliza could lead to a change of your limit at your next opt-in. So we'll say yes, proceed. We'll say yes, proceed, and your request has been received and will be processed within 1 hour. That is we can see that recording telling us that Edward, it is sad to see you leave and has successfully opted off Fuliza services. Thank you. Kuna mahali nimeclick pabaya.